Okay guys, I'm back. Part 2 of our unboxing from Miss Patricia. And we are on this little box here. So here we go. We're still working on the bookshelf thing. And here we go. Oh my gosh. She gifted me some bows. I love this bow. I have this die, but girl, I know I'm not alone when they say I'd rather receive the bow because it's a lot of work, but this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. There's just so much in this little teeny tiny box, guys. Look at this. Okay, of course now I can't get them all back in. They're not gonna play nice with me. They don't want to go back in the box. In the box. Get in the box, guys. Okay, we're gonna put you to the side. And this is one of the last box, and you can see even more of that Nuvo drops. Look at that, guys. So pretty. I like her touch to where she put the Nuvo drops. These are so beautiful. I'm in love with this. Look at her rosettes. They're so perfect. OMG, lady. What the heck? They're so perfect. I love it. I love it. I love you. Thank you so much for doing all of this work for me. Oh my goodness, I don't even deserve this. You're so talented. You need to make videos, Mom. I mean, Mom. Mom, you need to make videos, Madame. And share that talent with us so we can know or see and learn. I'm just trying to get this back in, guys. I don't know. Am I gonna succeed? Am I gonna succeed? We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. I don't want to crush it either because they're so beautiful. Let's see. Oh my gosh. There it went in. Finally. Beautiful little bookcase. I love that she used the word joy. It's one of my favorite Christmas words, by the way, FYI. Joy, joy, joy. This is beautiful. And then the last one, guys, to end it all. Well, I still have to show the paper pad, but look at this. Oh my gosh. Forget Gucci. Look at this bad boy. And it's purple. Purple. I know I'm ridiculous. Who cares? But look at this gold heart. Oh my gosh. I love this. And she's got a closure. This part opens. I wonder if this is this a SVG? Is this a SVG, Patricia? You have to let me know, okay, babe? Because this is beautiful. Da bomb. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna take everything out. Ah, she gave me some rapid dry. Yes, girl, yes. Chapped ice lip balm. Oh, I love it already. What is this? Oh, sing. Are you trying to say something? I need some singing lessons. It says sing on both sides. It's so cute. And then this one is Shea Almond Hand Cream. Ooh, what's this smell like? Ooh. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. I'm sorry, I'm like sucking it up real quick. It smells so delicious. I love that. Thank you so much. But let's go see what her bag looked like, because it got a little crushed. It's okay. It's just, we could fix it. It's fixable. Fixable. There we go. Look at her handles. Now we can really fully appreciate it's inside of the bag. Look at that. If this was a real bag, Patricia, oh, thousands of dollars, baby. Thousands. But it's gorgeous. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. I love it. Let me know, is this an SVG? Because I'm loving this bag. And then, that wasn't even it. This is the last of it this time. Have yourself a sweet little Christmas. Isn't that cute? Oh, look at that. Look at that. What? Oh my, what? That is so cute. Oh, I love that. Okay, what's this one smell like? It says twisted peppermint. Ooh. Oh. I'm holding it to the camera like you can smell it. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna smell so delicious. Look at this. That's what it looks like, guys. Isn't it cute? This is so cute. I love it. Patricia, thank you so much. All these wonderful gifts, so thoughtful, so well put together. I'm in love with your creations. Oops, 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 oopsie, oopsie. There we go. You guys, go give her a shout out on Instagram and let her know what a marvelous crafter that she is. So many beautiful items. And then she has this sugar blush. She says she bought 3 of them. She used one and now she's gifting me one. Look at all of that. Oh my goodness, I love this. This paper pad cannot go out of season. It's so pretty. You guys can use that. It doesn't even have to be Christmas, right? And there's 2 of each, so it goes a long, 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 long way. Oh, there's that cute Santa. Oh my goodness, there he is again. Oh, look at the nutcrackers. This is a paper pad Michael should keep because this is so cute. Oh, I love this so much. Thank you, Patricia. Oh my goodness. Thank you everybody for watching, and please, like I said, please go give her a shout out because this is thebomb.com. Thebomb.com. If you could see everything, oh my gosh, please send her some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.